Well, it's going to be a busy day. Had to get the household up a little bit early. We've got some meetings, but there's a lot of other things going on as well. I'm heading out to the nest right now. We actually are needing to prepare for 2 litters at the same time, this will be the first time I've had 2 litters at the same time. So, let me open the door. Okay, there we go. We are in the nest now, and okay, so lots of things happening. I am one of those people that likes to take my time when I have a room or a space, and I might move things around like 15 times before I settle on what I actually want it to be. But we've got the 2 litters coming at the same time, and I have additional panels of the Artemis whelping box today. Amazing. This keeps things modular to where I can change it around for whatever I need. I can break it down and store it. I can have them out, have like little extra play areas, run areas, places for the moms to rest, all that kind of stuff. So I will be popping on here and continuing this video once that comes in, because I'm just so excited for the possibilities. But with this happening, it is putting everything in a little bit more of a rush. So the last litter we had was with Rain, and she needed a lot of assistance and stuff at the very beginning part. So I want to make sure that I have an area to rest and stay and stuff like that. So I've ordered a couch. That's kind of like a futon, it folds back. So I've got that coming. I did order my desk. You guys, I have been, things have just been all over the house. Like, I don't want to say it's been misplaced, but it's just, all these different little clusters and areas. So we're finally getting all that kind of stuff tied in. I'm going to have the work area out here. I've already got the whelping basket set together, which is just real easy. I ordered another pet heating pad, because the first 2 weeks the puppies can't regulate their temperature, so they always have to have that heating pad available so that they have that for extra warmth. So with these litters coming 2 weeks apart, and that's like, the moms may not always go on that day. They might go a little bit before, they might go actually they don't really ever go over. But because of that, we have a very high probability of having both of those puppies on the ground when they are not regulating their temperature yet. So I ordered a secondary heating pad to have that. And I will be putting all of this together a little bit later on today, and I'll let you guys kind of follow along, see what we do. And this is going to be a process. So we're just trying to get everything set up and good to go and functional before these puppies come. All right, I love me some nature. And I got some boxwood panels to put up on one of the corners of my wall, just to incorporate some more nature and life into the room, because that just makes things feel all warm and fuzzy for me, and I am going to be spending lots and lots of hours here. So I want to make things as warm and fuzzy for myself, because the dogs feed off of my energy as well. So if I am nice and calm and relaxed, these guys have much more of a tendency of being nice, calm, and relaxed. So I got those artificial panels, and I gotta tell you, they gave me a fake lavender. Cool, I'll take it. But the best part about this is the fact that they just snap right together. So I'm only gonna have to necessarily do my hanging in certain areas, and the rest of it's gonna be conjoined together, so it actually continues to kind of hold its own weight, per se. So I'm kind of excited about that, as Bentley finds some entertainment in the box. Sometimes they're like toddlers, and when they find something, it's okay. Under supervision. I've got one run for the wall. All right, so we opened up Operation Get the Nest Fully Functional because we've got the 2 litters coming in February, and I am wanting things to be set up long before it is time that it is necessary for it to be here. I want to make sure that all the moving parts are working, and the first thing that got here today was the desk. I needed to do a work area out here. I found one on Amazon. It's an L shape just to kind of keep my work area a little bit isolated. So I'll be putting this desk together and kind of giving you my thoughts on that. And I got in the heating pad since we were having the 2 litters at the same time. I had to order another heating pad for the puppies. And this time I got it a little bit smaller. And the reason I did this is because the puppies need the heat, but what I found is that the larger heating pad that I had heated up so much of a surface that it wasn't quite as comfortable for the mom to be in there. So she didn't lay in there and nurse quite as long. And I think that making the surface area smaller is going to help out with that, especially with some of our mamas that tend to be a little bit warmer natured than the others. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this put together and we will see how it turns out and what our thoughts are on it. All right, I got it all open. Got all the pieces out and we will be getting this put in for our nice L-shaped desk for a workspace out here in the nest. Hey, Mama Sophia. Oh, she's so sweet. He's got some puppies. I finally pulled the plug on a desk and I got this in the other day. I do have to have an area that I can keep my supplies, but also when litters do come, I have to have an area that I can keep track of weights and growth and all that kind of stuff. So this has helped us with getting that area set up. I'll have the window and my trusted plants behind me, but I got something exciting. So I got some artificial boxwood panels, and I am going to make that a jungle corner. Look at a lot. Now to figure out how it hangs. I'm debating if I just want to put this corner, so, because I do want it kind of as a photography backdrop, worked into the room so that I can have a quick reference area to do shoots. And honestly, I'm strongly considering not putting it in the corner and putting it on a run from the wall. Choices. Okay, so getting the nest set up has been a project, and it's been something that has taken up what we would usually call free time for the past half of a year. You go ahead. You go, boo. And here is Miss Sophia in her absolute favorite spot. She's got a good viewpoint from here. She's got shelter over her, and she likes to sit here while I'm working at the table or in the kitchen. Right, Sophia? Oh.